Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Vidaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable the Windows 7 notifications pop up and say your Windows 7 PC is out of support as of January 14, 2020. Support for Windows 7 has come to an end. Your PC is more vulnerable to viruses and malware due to no security updates, no software updates, no tech support, and Microsoft strongly recommends using Windows 10 on a new PC for the latest security features and protections against malicious software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu and then type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So, before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So, if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. Click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung export. And then, pop up itong export registry file. So, select mo lang dito kung saan mo sisave yung file. And then, I would recommend and suggest to create file name. So, kailangan mo lang ilagay yung date. Okay? And then, next, click mo lang dito yung save. Alright? So, if you want or if you needed to import it back, so it's very simple. Same procedure. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas and then select mo na dito yung import and then pop up itong import registry file and then ilocate mo lang kung saan mo sinave yung file and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so proceed na tayo. So ang next step, dito lang sa computer and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK card user. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa HK current user, so ang next step, select mo lang dito yung software. So dito sa software, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa software, so ang next step, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft. So dito sa Microsoft, so double click ulit. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay ilocate natin yung Windows. Okay? So, dito sa Windows, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa Windows, and then select mo lang dito yung current versions. So, dito ay kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa current versions, so ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung EOS Notify. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin mo yung EOS Notify. Kapag wala kang makita dito na EOS Notify, so ang gagawin mo, dito lang sa current versions, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung new. And then select mo lang dito yung key. Ayan. So dito sa baba ay kailangan natin ito i-rename. So click mo lang yan and then click mo dito yung rename. So ang ilalagay natin dyan ay ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-rename ng EOS Notify. Okay. And then press mo lang yung enter. And so ang next step, so once na select mo na tong EOS Notify, and then dito lang sa right panel blank area, dito siya. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung new. And then dito sa case, select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value. So click mo lang yan. And then dito ulit ay kailangan mong i-rename. So rename natin yan. Okay, so ang kailangan mo lang i-rename na discontinue EOS. Right? And then press mo lang yung enter. So once na-enter mo na siya, and then kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang edit DWORD 32-bit value. So makikita mo dito yung value name. And then next dito sa value data, itong 0 ay i-change mo into 1. So once na-change mo na siya, and then dito sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-back. So close muna natin tong registry editor and then close natin. And then dito lang si start menu and kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to disable your Windows 7 PC is out of support notifications. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.